Ever cleaned something so dirty you almost forgot what color it was supposed to be? That's exactly why pressure washers are so satisfying. The right one can make old driveways, patios, cars, and fences look almost brand new in minutes. But here's the problem. Not every pressure washer is actually worth buying. Some feel underpowered, some are frustrating to move around, and others become a maintenance nightmare after a few uses. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best pressure washers you can buy right now. From compact electric models to powerful gas cleaning beasts. And trust me, the number 1 pick is an absolute monster. As always, all product links are waiting for you down in the description below. Starting at number 5, the Greenworks Pro GPW3000. This is one of the best electric pressure washers for people who want strong cleaning power, without dealing with gas engines. The Greenworks Pro GPW3000 delivers impressive pressure for patios, sidewalks, decks, outdoor furniture, and even vehicles. But what really makes it stand out is simplicity. No oil changes, no fuel mixing, no complicated maintenance. Just plug it in and start cleaning. The motor feels powerful for an electric unit, and the sturdy wheels make it easy to move around larger spaces. You also get multiple spray nozzles for different cleaning jobs. For homeowners wanting dependable cleaning performance with less hassle, this is a fantastic all-around option. At number 4, the Ryobi 2,300 pounds per square inch brushless pressure washer. This thing feels built for convenience. The Ryobi 2300 PS, I combine strong cleaning performance with a lightweight, user-friendly design that's easy to set up and store. But the real highlight here is the brushless motor. It runs quieter, lasts longer, and feels smoother than traditional motors. The included turbo nozzle also helps blast away stubborn dirt much faster than standard spray tips. And despite the compact size, it still has enough power for serious outdoor cleaning jobs. Cars, fences, patios, sidewalks. It handles everyday cleaning surprisingly well. What I really like most is how approachable it feels. Even first-time users can get comfortable with it quickly. Number 3, the Simpson MegaShot MS60805. Now we're getting into serious cleaning power. The Simpson MegaShot is a gas-powered pressure washer built for tougher, larger cleaning jobs. And honestly, this thing absolutely destroys grime. Driveways, brick walls, heavy stains, decks. The cleaning power here feels noticeably stronger than most electric models. The Honda engine is also a huge advantage. It feels reliable, powerful, and easy to start. And unlike electric units, you're not constantly limited by extension cords or outlet locations. That freedom makes a massive difference during larger projects. If you want professional-level cleaning performance without jumping into expensive commercial equipment, this machine is an incredible choice. At number 2, the DeWalt DWPW2400. DeWalt somehow built a pressure washer that feels compact, durable, and surprisingly powerful all at once. The DWPW2400 delivers excellent cleaning performance while still being easy to transport and store. And honestly, that balance makes it perfect for homeowners. One feature I really like is the onboard storage system. The hose, cord, and accessories stay neatly organized, which sounds small, until you realize how messy pressure washers usually become over time. The electric motor also keeps things quieter and easier to maintain compared to gas models. And thanks to the heavy-duty frame, the machine feels built to last. For people wanting dependable cleaning performance with less maintenance, this is easily one of the best electric pressure washers available right now. But taking the number 1 spot, the Westinghouse WPX3400 gas pressure washer. This machine is an absolute beast. The Westinghouse WPX3400 combines massive cleaning power with excellent versatility, making it one of the best pressure washers for serious home use. Whether you're cleaning concrete, siding, vehicles, fences, or old outdoor surfaces, this thing handles heavy grime effortlessly. The engine feels powerful and dependable, while the large wheels make it much easier to move across rough terrain. And unlike weaker pressure washers that struggle during larger jobs, this one maintains strong, consistent power the entire time. That's what impressed me most. It genuinely feels built for demanding cleaning tasks, not just light-duty touch-ups. So, which pressure washer would you pick? A quieter electric model or a gas-powered cleaning monster? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tools, and I'll catch you in the next one.